Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is working with shortcut menus. We have two types of shortcuts. The first is that we have selected anything and right click on it. So we got some shortcuts. Now we have a list in the form of menus. You can see that contains options for this column. And if we click here and right click on it, there is everything we will have about it. And secondly, we can also use the shortcut keys from the keyboard. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.